The bamboo principle. Why silent phases matter. The Chinese bamboo tree is a marvel of nature. For the first 4 years after planting, you see nothing, not even a single green shoot. You water it, fertilize it, and protect it daily, but to the naked eye, there is zero growth. Then, in the fifth year, it suddenly bursts through the soil and grows 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. The very important lesson. Did the bamboo grew 80 feet in 6 weeks? No. It grew 80 feet in 5 years. During the silent years, it was developing a massive root system to support its future height. What are the key points from here? Your SIPs over the last few months are your roots. Every flat month is a month where you are accumulating units at lower cost. Without the silent foundation, the vertical growth of the fifth year would not be possible. So don't judge a seed by the harvest you see today. Judge it by the roots you are building for tomorrow. So SIP is one of the way you're not doing anything for the short term. You're doing it for the long term. You have to reap the fruits of these seeds over a long term period. SIP can give you return only when you remain invested for long term with all your patience. Do not panic in the short term. Importantly, do not forget to follow me and stay calm, stay invested to create long term wealth in the future.